things we need to know about is how to properly line up, safely line up and use a Bunsen burner. So I want to show you how to do it. Then you guys are going to go back to the lab and everybody is going to follow this procedure. Underneath the sinks, on the doors on the outside of the lab tables, okay, over on the facing toward the middle of the room, there are two Bunsen burners under there, okay, and they look like this. All right, they are the cables wound like this, just kind of a little simple knot right there, so they kind of keeps things neat. And I want you guys to take both of them out. So two people can be working at one time. We can get this done very quickly. All right, but it goes up, and whenever you finish, you take it out to use it. You put it back when you finish. Okay, put it under there neatly. Keep things neat. Okay. Now here's what you're going to do. In order to hook up a Bunsen burner, we need to you take the hose here and just kind of push it a little bit and give it a slight twist. There's no reason, DeMonte, to give it a really hard shove. All right, that just makes it stick on there, and we don't want to do that. We just want it to be kind of snug a little bit. That makes sense? All right, now there's two places you turn the gas on. This is where you turn the gas on at the table. This is where you turn the gas on at the Bunsen burner. So the first thing you want to do is turn the gas on here. And you notice there's nothing happening. You don't hear anything. All right, but if I open this up, if you listen carefully, you can hear it hissing. Maybe with the fan going, maybe not. Okay. All right, I'm going to turn it off for a minute, but you'll be able to hear it hissing. We can turn the fan off if we need to. The fan's going because somebody's complaining of the smell, and gas that comes out of the pipes like that does have a smell. It's not an actual smell that's the gas. The gas doesn't smell at all. You can't smell the gas. They actually add a chemical to the gas to make it smell so we can tell when there's a leak. All right? All right. So what we want to do is we turn it on here first. We then turn it on here until you hear it hissing. And then you're going to come from underneath with the flame, not over the top, from underneath. All right? And don't put your head over it. That's not a good idea either. All right? Now this is not set up properly yet. This is burning inefficiently. And you can tell that because of all this yellow flame up here at the top. Let's see, put it over where you can see it. Okay, all that yellow flame. What I want to do is open up the air jet, or the air opening here, to allow some more oxygen in to make this flame burn properly. Okay, so I'm going to turn it like that until we get what is a double flame. Okay, you'll get kind of two cones of gas. Okay, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it on the camera or not. Can you see the two cones? All right, that's what you want. All right, you can adjust the flame up and down, but you might have to adjust the air too. If you get too much air, it'll blow the flame out. Okay, but sometimes you want a low flame when you're working in the lab. Sometimes you want a high flame. It depends on what it is. The hottest part of the flame is right here at the top of that inner cone, not the upper cone, the inner cone. All right. If you want to really heat something, that's where you want to put it, right at the tip of that inner cone. That makes sense? Yes, sir. Let's don't spend too much time trying to figure that one out. Okay. It has to do with how fast the gas is combusting, and therefore how much gas or how much heat is giving away in that combustion process. Okay. We will talk about that a little bit more in Unit 2 here. All right. Now, to turn this off, there is a step-by-step process. Remember, we turned it on here first, then down here. To turn it off, we're going to turn it off here first, at the table first, because that bleeds out the gas. All right. And then we're going to turn the knob on this. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Y'all heard that before? So we're going to turn it like that. So we're tightening it up. We're closing the valve by turning it to the right, and to loosen it, you turn it to the left when you're looking at it from the bottom. Okay? And the same with the top part. You're looking at it from the top. If you want to close it down, you turn it to the right. If you want to loosen it up, you turn it to the left. Okay? So that's the way you turn it off. Now we want to remove the hose. Just make a little loop here and put this away.